Weight Loss Police Present, 7 Things That Will Happen When You Do Planks Every Day. There are few forms of exercise as effective at building your core as a plank workout. However, planks benefit far more than just your core strength. By holding yourself in the position for a plank exercise, you'll notice that your biceps, neck, and shoulder muscles are also being tested and strained. This is encouraging their buildup and development, which is great news if you like to do press-ups. When planking, you are holding yourself up through your arms and biceps, and by holding a plank position, your arm muscles are being toned and developed. This makes planks a great alternative exercise to other forms of bicep developing exercises. Moving down your midsection, successful plank exercises actually develop the muscles in your buttocks. These muscles tend to be ignored by a lot of exercises, so this is another great benefit of plank exercises. In much the same way as you develop your biceps and arm muscles, holding planks helps develop the muscles in your thighs, too. What is even better is that plank exercises don't take much time at all. In fact, you should probably only spend about 10 minutes max per day in a plank position. 7 Things That Happen When You Do Planks Every Day. 1. Improved core definition. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles because they engage all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, the external obliques, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, for all of these groups serve their purpose. If you strengthen these muscle groups you will notice transverse abdominis, increased ability to lift heavier weights. Rectus abdominis, improved sports performance, particularly with jumping. This muscle group is also responsible for giving you the renowned six-pack look. Obliques, improved capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting. Glutes, a supported back and strong buttocks. 2. Decreased risk of back injury. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. Planks can strengthen your back muscles and ensure more support and stability for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. 3. Metabolism boost. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The core muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy, even when sedentary, because they are some of the largest muscles in the body. This is especially important if you are spending the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Also, making it a daily home exercise before or after work will not only provide an enhanced metabolic rate but will also ensure that your metabolism remains high all day long. 4. Improved posture. Planks have a great impact and improvement on your posture. A strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained, but it also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. A good posture will ensure your back or spine is in the correct position, so you will suffer less back pain. On top of everything else, someone with good posture looks healthier and more confident overall. 5. Improved balance. Have you ever felt that when you try standing on one leg, you can't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you are just clumsy, but rather because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you the balance you need. Many people assume that balance is mostly based on the legs, but most of the work is actually happening in your core as it keeps you stable and upright. By improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extensions, you will boost your balance and performance in every kind of fitness activity. 6. More flexibility. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, the arches of your feet, and the toes. With side planks added to the mix, you can also work on your oblique muscles. This will provide you with further benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a movement that is crucial for supporting your body's weight. 7. Improved mood. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. This works because they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. Imagine you are sitting in your chair, at home or at work, all day long. Your thigh muscles get tight, your legs get heavy due to being bent for several hours, and tension develops in your shoulders due to being forced to slump forward all day. These are all circumstances that put stress on the muscles and nerves. The good news is that planks not only calm your brain, but they can also treat anxiety and symptoms of depression. But only if you make it part of your daily routine. How to hold a plank position. Doing planks correctly takes practice, and it will be very difficult until you build up your muscles a bit. Here is an overview to help you get into a regular plank position. Get into a push-up position on the floor. Bend your elbows 90 degrees, and rest your weight on your forearms for a forearm plank position. Keep your torso straight and rigid, and form a straight line from head to toe with no sagging or bending. Your head is relaxed, and you should be looking at the floor. Hold the position for as long as you can. Remember to breathe by inhaling slowly and steadily. When your form begins to suffer, pull the plug. You're only benefiting from planks when your form is good. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.